In the following video, we will show you the assembly of a Geyser manual sliding wall system with the new mechanical automatic MSW comfort panel locking mechanism. The tools to be used are also listed on the installation instructions. A standard glass cleaner can be used for cleaning. You can find the glass and profile measurements in the drawings supplied. Take profile measurements. The lower spacers prevent contact between the glass edge on the front and aluminium. The clamping shims are pushed between the aluminium profile and the glass surface. They must be positioned with a millimeter below the upper edge of the profile and sit flush with the front edge of the profile. Set the torque spanner to 25 Newton meters. The clamping screws must be fastened with the tightening torque specified. This should be done from the outside to the inside. The twist lock element is fixed in the profile by turning the headless screw on the front. The comfort locking mechanism is pushed into the front of the profile. The twist lock element is aligned flush with the front profile end and fixed securely in the profile using the headless screw. The tappet assembly group consists of two components. The sliding block should be inserted into the profile first, and then the tappet assembly group. The tappet assembly group is aligned flush with the profile end and fixed using the headless screw. Next, the sliding block is pushed into the tappet assembly group and also fixed. The comfort locking mechanism, with an adapter for the door connection panel, consists of two components. Lock the twist lock element first, then connect the adapter. It is easier to install the locking mechanism in the profile in this position. Once the locking mechanism is hooked in, push it in and position it flush with the end cap attached. Fix the unit on the front using the headless screw. The track system is cleaned with the Geyser cleaning equipment before the roller carriages are inserted into the track. When straightening, please place two 10mm thick blocks under the panel. The blocks help to protect the installed locking mechanism. Push the sliding blocks into the front of the profile, lifting the panel. You can adjust the height of the panel by turning the suspension bolt. Check the height settings. The standard distance is 14 mm. The panel must be aligned vertically. After checking the height settings and perpendicular, counter the suspension bolt. The final alignment of the roller carriage position in the panels should be carried out in the stacking area. The roller carriages are then fixed in their position in the upper profile. For the next step, push the upper brush seals in. Place the end caps in the connector and screw them in. Now mount the upper covers. First, hang the cover at the top of the profile and check its position. Then clip the cover on, starting from one side. To mark the floor sockets, place the template by the side of the profile and align it flush with the edge of the profile. Select locking mechanism and carefully push the panel in. Now mark the position of the floor socket on the floor. You can also use the template as a drilling template for the first few millimeters of the drill hole. First, make the core hole with a 25 mm core hole drill. Use an 8 mm masonry drill when drilling a hole for the dowel. Now push the lower brush seals in as well. Put the end caps on and screw them on. Use the method described above for putting the lower panels in place. The curve technology makes it easier for the panels to move in or out of the parking space, and the new MSW Comfort locking mechanism locks the panels automatically to the floor. Locking and unlocking can only be carried out through the movement of the panels. This means that MSW shop fronts can be assembled and dismantled easily without damage.